Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Priscilla. If you're not new, thank you for coming back because I know that my videos are like months apart and I still hope to get better at that. I do, I swear I do. Anyways, today's video is sort of law of attraction based. It's about manifesting something that you want. If you are familiar with the law of attraction, it just basically is like attracts like. So if you have positive thoughts and think about something and believe that you already have it, it is yours. So two-cup method is a way to more quickly manifest something that you want. So the reason I'm posting this is because I recently tried it and it worked. I've only done it once and it worked. I posted about this on a Facebook page and people were curious how I did it, and I thought I'd make a video because the other ones on YouTube are pretty freaking long, if I'm being honest, and nobody really cares about the background of anything. They just care about how you do it. So if you want to know how you do it, I'm going to show you. You'll need a few things. You'll need a pen, you need some Post-its, you'll need 2 cups. I'm not going to throw these. One of them needs to have water. Okay? That's pretty much it. So if you're curious on how to do this, if you're going to try it, definitely keep watching. Here, I'll go ahead and make this as realistic as possible. I need a new place to live. I currently live in an apartment that is no longer suitable for me. So I need to manifest a place to live. On one Post-it, I'm gonna write my current situation. So living in okay, so that's my current situation. I'm gonna put that on the cup that has water in it. Now the second one is going to have what I want to manifest. So where I want to move, or you know that I need a new apartment. Okay, this is where I want to be. That is going on the second glass, the empty glass. So where you want to be is empty, where you are is with the water. So now you're going to take a minute and you're just going to think about where you are right now. You're going to feel it. You're going to allow yourself to experience those emotions. How do you feel? Okay, now you're going to focus on where you want to be. You're going to think about how you're going to feel when you get there. You're going to think about how you would feel if you once you get what you are manifesting. Okay, now you're going to take this water and pour it into this cup. You're going to listen to the water drip into this cup. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel it change. Then you're going to drink this water. Now you're going to feel those feelings again while you drink this water. That's it. So is this going to work? I don't know. It has in the past. Other people say that it's worked for them. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated. If you want to try this, again, all you need is water, 2 cups, some Post-its, and a pen. If you want to see more videos about the law of attraction and things of that nature, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I need it. Just kidding. Alright guys, You do you, boo.